Hello my amazing people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends of the area where una dey see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don carry another ogbonge matter come again. Now who we will watch today, my amazing people? We are about to watch Vera TV program. Hey, Vera backup page, my people. Not be small matter dey happen for inside life. As Vera come out, come expose her whole family bomb. Breeze blow fowl nyash open. Not be small matter dey inside this video, my people. Just help me to like and share this video and sit down, relax with your cola or with your Fanta, with your anything when you wish to relax with. Listen to this video, my people. I believe say something they play band for Vera. I don't understand. I don't know how to put this thing. There is something going on. Because no family go fit carry their family come wait for social media like this. My people, me I live una make una enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to support your girl. God bless you all.
If una get sense, una go know say before I bring this thing ready for, because I know una fair Chris. I know na. I wanna say no pay una. Lock your wood the kidnapper. Obvious saze lock your saze the kidnapper. Share this video. When I come here, see the yeye woman when Lucky carry say, Lucky will be small picking. Lucky woo igbo smoker. Thank God not be me talking now. All presenters don't say you be igbo smoker. Sarah, Sarah, that my page now for shoe. Here now for your papa, your useless people. Now here I call the beat. And your yeye picking no go anak bowe. When like go buy shoe, no go anak ba shower, igbo smoker. Woman we don't do a shower for abroad. Do. Nobody can carry. You no get choice. Now you take care of for us. Say as person be. Like you no go buy this woman wait for this your girlfriend. No go be share the name. Share this video, give me love and like guys. But me, if you don't say me, for me to do this thing. If you not say me I ready, you not even bother to talk. If you not say me I ready, I don't say go shock una. As soon as they post, I never post una picture. I go make una papa. I go give una that shit popularity because I suffer for my popularity. Una see call the collect for us, I not pay me. But una say no man una business. Please share the video. Get a shower. Not be your stupid husband. This useless woman be this. Don't worry. Wait till I want to do now. Una go shook for his Una not go sit tears. This not be your son. Lucky when say an enemy update enemy. Not be your son be this. Mama not be your son be not be your picking be this. When I tell una say before me come outside, I don't save all una picture. Una this is a joke. Go reach your mama when you born. It there with me. This will not be when I do birthday. Okay. I get different one. Share this video, give me love and like. I just want to let una know say. Before me come outside, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Lucky the kidnapper, I'm gonna call yeah, brother, where they lie. Lucky, now be you go kidnap. Iyare moto mama. I beg if you dare here, share this video with the take a small. Please share this video. Give me love, please. Share this video. Una see that yeah brother. I won't call town what he do for Nigeria. Where he make a rock come abroad. Because no say some people go enter this abroad. They not go tell people where he made the rock come for Nigeria. Lucky, come here, I can't tell you. You know, say me, I'm a very nice and kind person because we not get mama again. Never could see me. Now they do this day. And they look now. Not because I don't know what I'll take it now. But I be they ignore. But when I decide to say Rekia Dobon, no go on Bowie Sarah, I decide to say I must take revenge. So Mona call you waiting me Lucky come up for Nigeria. Lucky the kidnapper. Lucky Osaze the kidnapper. You will go kidnap Iyare moto mama. Una kill that woman. That old woman. You know say You never go tell the world. Wetin make you run comot for Nigeria? Wetin make your elder sister run when Mopo shoots you? Now the gun just when I took for you, now make they not kill you. Now your pikin 10 years old. If I lie for your head, wait till I find out this problem, I understand. But if I don't lie, this your two soul go die for this. I shower kuna. I say I ready. My people, wanna go see how the useless brother how he take come up from Nigeria. He was an heavy kidnapper. You know they say kidnapper. He was the heavy one. Me, I don't know. This one where they talk say, me. Now me can't take care of. Now look, the old picture where they bring. I get belly for them. That time, that picture, I still there with my baby children, my children papa. I still there. If you look when I for where native, no say I get belly for them. I still there with the man when I bought all those children. My last born for them. Now I get the belly that time. So Serekia Kokomo, he go call lucky say he don't tell me those so that WhatsApp never the ring. Facebook never the ring. Mona call you share the video. Mommy, oh good evening, mommy. Please, Mona share and Mona call here. So WhatsApp never the ring, Facebook never the ring. Serekia Koko say that time only say that they abroad. All of us, the rest of us in Nigeria. So he go say he wants me to snap our picture come. Who shall be see? Now let me block you here. Who shall be can you stop? See, now let me swear for you. But who be the one? Come for you. So my lovely people, who comment rubbish, I'll block you. Chicken, I'll block you. You don't see what I want talking. Share the video. So my lovely people, my children don't sleep. They are on the other side. Me I call them on the last on a shame and disgrace. So Serekia only want to abroad that time. She can't say don't tell me don't see us. Say me we snap our picture. On no ass. Then he can't call Lokio, that brother. He can't say me, he tell us me we snap picture. Now so we take snap that picture. If now look, I'm very heavily pregnant. There. Now so we take snap her. Now look, he go poster. Give Sarah. Now that Sarah for see my children. When they small. When they for wear different clothes. I can't snap my children that I get double 4. Plus the belly when I get it could be 5. Now so I take snap all of them. I can't give Lucky. Then Lucky Osaze can't go benin. He can't go post now. Give Sarah made for snap belly me. She is a snap everybody. Made for see us. Now so they take get. Now so they can't get that picture when I forget belly. After I don't burn that picky finish. When it take 5 years. I don't tire because I don't go fit stay again. I need to come out. I need better. I can't get trans. I'm not know what to be trans. I felt talking for my first big page. Share this video. I'm not no trans. When you go sleep, you know sleep or maybe you sit down for a chair. Trans go come. I can't say no be here supposed today. The thing come. It can't show me like picture. Because it can't show me like the place very fine. The thing can't see voice say, you don't supposed to be in this place. Here is not your place. Your light will never shine here. Inside that sleep, inside that trance, like this I do. I sit down for rubber chair, white rubber chair, for my baby papa house. That's why I tell wake up. That time, I don't born my kid to go 5 years. As I look at that dream, I never dreamed before. And my dream, I get that kind of dream when I just see, I always they know saying a good dream. Now there, the moment I wake up, my mind just spoil. I can say, no, say again. Ask them, I mean leave my baby father. He go back. I no agree. I say never. I no go agree. When I tell them, I say I can't go benin. When they come neglect me. When I say man, when I don't know. When I don't get to talk fuck, can't give me money. Can't pay for 6 months house rent. Now so it starts. So my lovely people, after then, I can't take benin. This one when they say, see my picture, whether I mean they help person, Then I was still with my baby father. I was heavily pregnant. Yes. She the thought I said 5 pikin I get. Where have come born that one again? In all day. So now that day benin, I can't begin the struggle. After that man don't rent house for me. He give me money, take buy something to put. I got not to stay now. I can't manage find money. I call the Sophie, they do my things. They live my life, they go. Then I call the date. One man when they call Perry. Now, boss, he get your boss like 5. He get drivers when they work for him. So get 5 on my boss. No, not they call on my boss. The man get 5 on my boss. So as he see me say you like me, I got and say I get picking. I'm not either. Somebody can say 5. He say na lie. He say me they lie. He say me want tell her maybe for no data. Now I say no, it's real. He say wait then, and I say the day you balance. He say that will not stop me not to date you. He say you have me. Not be now. I find now. That time my shape they throw away. That I don't maintain myself. Oh, jigby. Share this video. Now that the guy say no, I die here. Me and you, I must date you. I got the plan. So then get one of your friends that they call Chagu. He can say, I beg, can't give my number. Say, my friend say he like you. Why you go they do like this now? I beg, we won't see you. Now I can't tell you so. See where I did. That is Ogbeso. Now they call drive, call 2 of them. They call that one they drive for God is good motto. Why my parents so he get all my boss 5. Then he and the friends they call come my house. They call say, oh yeah, make I follow them. Now so they go GROA, go enjoy ourselves that day. Share the video for there. We come begin the never do click. That was there no. Now that's the guy. God start to the date. That guy know many things about me. Through there, I can start to do something. I can start to cook. They say for Agbo Park. If people really know me, they supposed to know me for Agbo Park. I not share my total, I not do a share. I can say I get some more money. So okay, how much I need? You can add money for me. If I cook like this, I stand near food. If you pass, go say, man, that how they sell food. Now me stand, go they say not be me. Because the way I take the dress. See, people can't know me put. Say, I the dress, they sell my food. I know the dirty. Now so, I can't take there. After said that done, my people, when this useless Kate called the door, say, now so me not get help. When me do for her. After they even this Perry when I they talk so, he know my elder sister. He come my house. He see my elder sister and our glass bowl for inside my house. So now there, he no take care when me help come my house. Do everything. Now my house, if I come out go abroad. Now my house, if I see lights. Kate go swear. After I leave my baby father, when I don't take my own, now I say happy. Now I take put you for us. Because that picture when they show, I was pregnant. I'll be a simple for another man. I be gonna go bring the pikin. So after second pizza, share this video. Oh mama, don't let me forget. Oh me I don't forget. Okay, mama, no verse. Mommy, quick talk. Me I don't forget what I did. Hello, mommy.
Hello, Vera. But this story you have said, you are narrating now, you have said everything. Is it not 2019?
Yes, no.
You said it on your live video.
Don't worry. I won't go tell people. The useless brother. How me tell about what happened. Now something.
All those shit, anybody that believes them and they are at their risk.
No, me not say
That's the truth of the matter.
I not say they don't believe them. He get what me want talk. He get what I want to talk. Talk this one. Mommy, listen. Listen. My people. Now so this cat take come on go Libya. This boy when they fool says so. Then he go the upper. As he come the upper, now be smart, he go start thief. Mona ask this boy who kill Iyare mama for bush. Una see that guy, so that boy. Now cut is fine. Share this video. He go do. He and some boys. They go commute. Go kidnap. Mama Yari for inside church. We don't know how it happen. Me, I don't know. I don't know say this boy na thief. I don't know say even this year. I don't say na criminal. Me don't know. So when he got set, I don't know what happened. When I go to hear, they say they be don't kill the enemy. What's happen? They say they be 5. When they go kidnap, iyare moto mama. I mean, if you know iyare moto mama, say they go kidnap her. Say they can't put for bush. They go they ask for ransom. So as they go ask for ransom, they go say they demand that time. Oh, say they demand for I think about 12 million that time. Say they bring 12 million. Come. Say they go leave the old woman. The woman don't old. So not knowing that when those people they come with more power. They don't let them know. They be 5 in number. When they go up, they carry they go inside bush. For if they go this the bypass. Share this video. Inside bush for bypass. Now they carry iyare moto mama. We don't make we don't old. Iyare moto na go no. That man they call iyare moto na baba na. If you dare benin, suppose know that they call iyare moto. I'll call you the disgrace now. I go guys. Share the video. If you never see anything, yeah, boo. Me when he reverse, una say me how they play. Now so they take carry old mama go put for inside bush for after bypass for bush. They call they find mama 5. The next one they call you after 5 days. Now call say na kidnap mama for inside church. After them, my people, they call okay they demand for 12 million naira. Then that was a year 2000 and they come. Year 2000 and they come and calculator. Share this video, give me love. May I remember the year? A year 2000 and 2013. Almost 80 a year 2013. Share this video. Almost a year 2013, my people. Now so they take kidnap this woman. So they don't know say Mopo. They call Mopo because the yard want to get money. Say they kidnap him mama. He come invite Mopo. Say they don't kill him mama. They don't kidnap him mama. Oh. So now so they demand for 12 million. Yeah, when they want to go carry the money, they call they say they don't bring the money. Oh, make they call carry. Now then they don't know say inside the bush, soldiers don't surround everywhere. As they don't tell them they go carry, these useless brother they among people we want to go carry the money. So lucky God when he save them, say he do go just. Now so they take carry AKDC follow them to a bit of them. They want to go carry the money for inside bush. Now so they take pursue them for inside bush. As those who are called here, maybe they don't get better gun. Now so the rest, the many two, whether they call press the woman neck, I don't call no. Because they say not be gunshot, they take kill that woman. They say they press the neck down. The time when they got a year gunshot, this boy they among. If you not see this boy body, Jesus, you know say when you do gun jazz, we go penny, we go they can't go follow you. It must be like saying one penetrate. All he clothes here, but you know a tight body. So if when he go push him, he wear no sleeve. They say he use him man tell me, say he wear no sleeve, scribe white and blue. Go swear. After Mopono pursue them, for example, throw gun follow them. They say the car shoe two for inside. But the many theory when this boy join, they go escape, but they pursue them with gun. Gun no meter. But they say the other one go come meet her for there, but he carried the injury wrong. So the one we had meet now 2. So my lovely people, now so we take the my phone your ring. Their last born, their papa you call me. He said, where you dey? Lucky rock come Oreo, lucky day Oreo. The way their papa take the chat. What soon my mind your fly hot afternoon. What soon? He said no be smart lucky day Oreo. Say they be don't kill lucky enemy me I curse you. Wait happen. He said they say lucky there are more people when go kidnap Iyare moto mama. I put her phone and say, Jesus! Which time? He say you're the come you now. Say they even the final. Easy. Now go Oreo where my papa dey. He go hide for them. Nah. Money not there. Me I not get money. I want to carry enter road. No be smart no. They call they say make it go hide for the place. That time said my papa never even built. He has finished for that Oreo. He dey stay for family house for Oreo. Not be there in my papa dey stay, but sometimes he dey stay there like a week. He go stay benin like a week. So my lovely people, shout this to give me love, guys. Now so my papa go take carry and go that the house. It won't be like where a chief they stay. So now sound house that they build the house. If you enter the house, if you know all lights, it's very dark. Now then for do my grandpapa burial. Yes, then for do our grandpapa burial. So that place very dark. If person dey inside the house, you know go know say person dey. Now there, my papa go hide. This oniara. Now they tell on a story. Wanna know say, I don't forget anyone. Lucky the kidnapper. Mona the writer. Lucky the kina. If I lie, go use this your son or go agbe. Go they swear. Say you not join people who go kidnap. Iyare moto mama for church. You don't tell people wait to make you come abroad. So then my papa got the fear. Even their papa fear not let her come benin because nobody can know whether they know say they born this boy. Now so my people, their papa got the audio for village there. Go stay with her for them. Then now they come begin they call Sarah. That time this useless pizza week na week. It don't dey Libya. They do a shower. Now then the coconut say as for me I not get money because he never tell when me release her for police station for Adenya police station. He never tell when I release her for Adenya police station. He does still do another one. I don't get money. Adenya police station for GROA. I know how much I spent. So now I tell them say this one I not fit up because when they bring their problem because they don't say I get pikino more than the year. That's why I told say I don't get money. God you ever know. I don't get. They say now what they need to do. Make them make sure say come up for Nigeria now 3 days I be a week. This one what they talk so. Fear not go they let this kidnapper come outside. Fear not go they let kidnapper come outside. Kidnapper go dey inside that place, that family house. Now then they go they give her food. When I go see body. When I go there, I tell faith how you dey. When I go later go see her because my papa go to say nah, their papa go borrow money. So they go the beg Sarah. Sarah say if they want kill her, make they kill her. Sarah call you some pikin this way. They go the beg Sarah. Say Sarah I beg. Now your only brother. I beg. If they see another they go buy her. Make they not buy her. Sarah go say if now because of he go join kidnapper. Make they buy her. Make shaft her close. Now that word, that Kate. Now that word, that Kate go here. They go say, Sarah, you wicked oh, you there abroad. You don't want to carry your brother. You want me to can Sarah thought say, he had caught, not be met the work. He not go work. When they make a call the thief, they go to do kidnapping business. Now he say now, whether he know how they survive for abroad. Now that Sarah go say, if they carry up joint grants, he no get money we want give Lucky of your Saze may take come for Nigeria. Now there, if papa can come out, can go borrow money, he can see, I think, about 50,000, 70, either 50 or 60,000. He can see. Then get go say for now, he never get money. When he did there, me my papa find borrow money, give Lucky Yewu, make it take come for Nigeria, makes enter Cotonou, make it the call Libya road. If you want come out, make it come out for night. Make them no cash am. So we can't prepare. He can't do. They can't give her the money. Then he can't go. Can't use hair cloth. Can't they wear also face cap. Use so they cover face one kind. Now so my papa that because I don't get time no fear escort to me. So my papa say now he go follow her. Now my tell her say my papa now you born follow her. Go enter motor make come up for Nigeria. Now so this useless kidnapper take come up for Nigeria because the remaining two hand meet them. The remaining two they catch those one. So definitely those one know this useless brother kidnapper. So there is no, will be no way when they know they put this boy for prison because he don't get one case for a day police station. He name they there. So now they must confess her. Make they not go carry based on say those one they not to know where my papa they stay for village, but they know where he dey for city for inside Benin. So the fear come massive. Now so they can't buy ticket for her. He can't enter Libya route. As he enter Libya route, he can't they go for road. Now there, can tell who come quickly do a shower, gather money fast. Can't they support her, they come, they support her, they come, they support her, they come. As he come reach, when they come. When they come see reach, whether na Agadez, abi whether they call her, not be Agadez, whether they reach if they go Tripoli. Money wey get give am, make it take cross. He calls and go take fuck and shower for. He can't go use her. Take to Vaga Toto. Before he know now shower collect the money we supposed make it take cross. After they don't collect the money, they lie say they take the money for inside house. So lucky boy when he know her, got there, Kate say, now lie your brother go sleep at shower house. Now shower thief the money we supposed to pay. Collection man may take cross. Enter. We go take cross. Enter Tripoli before you go. No be cross, no. We go take come out for this thing. We go take enter Tripoli. Now so this Ketekia, he call abandon her for there. Oh, Ketekia got to say week na week. He can say make it go find work. Then they do what Malaga. Not be Malaga they call it. Go say they call this work what they do for Libya. When they go they build house, go tell them make go do. Say make you know the suffer when you suffer for the money. Instead do a shower. So when he there, if you don't feel gather any amount, he go art join for her. Make it take the come. Lawaju. When they go Lawaju, go the firework. But say na Lawaju that they call her. Lawaju, something like that. So my people, now so this boy take escape death for Nigeria. Week now week call they do a shower to make sure say he carry and reach this thing. Now he first week now week cross. Now this boy first week in a week cross. After week in a week don't use it to totally do a shower finish. He call later carry belle. As he call carry belle, now be you dance look here she new born. She got mama his second daughter. So as he call get his second daughter, no. That time he never boy get belle. So now Italy, if I call born, he don't born one for Libya. His first daughter, he born down for Libya. Then the second one, he can't get the belle. When he can't reach Italy, not reach 5 months, then he can't born the second daughter. So now this lucky called first time cross. If not be, say they carry this useless, but share this to give me love. There's a big evening, week now week, yes. So now you, if not be say they carry a come up from Nigeria, it's not after that kidnapping, because if they terrorize, what if he do? Did I tell you now what he do and I go better for Atenya police station? This boy go one village, he go thief back machine, brand new machine. If he thief and finish for village, he go carry a company, he go call seller. He get guy when he get motor when he go take the carrier. If he don't thief the machine finish, he get one boy, we get one 2K boss. We not too good like that. He will go tell the boy, make the boy call use the motor to take carrier, to remove the plate number, to carry a company call seller. Osho price. Useless brother, share this video. So, when they make me go bail for Atenya police station, now thief is the thief. Or pastor they try reach no. This one when I take go bail for Atenya police station, now back in the thief. Me I don't know. That day when they catch it was on Christmas Day. Me and my they were last born. So they eat fried rice and chicken. When they call say they don't arrest, lock you on Christmas Day. Now they catch her. Hands go, they go catch the boy when they carry a put for motor. The machine put for motor when they carry a company. Information go meet they say if you don't see the machine, now this is what they happen because you know the driver for road. People go say where the driver they pass. Now information go meet police say the boy dead the village. Now the boy the helper after they don't thief and finish. Now the boy the helper they carry up from motor company. So now they go cash that boy. So as they catch that boy Christmas Day, this boy he don't know. Say they don't cash him. How they take cash this onion and idiot kidnapper. Kidnapper na kidnapper. Oh, thief no good, thief no good, thief no good. Whoa. Share the video, give me love. As they arrest, share this video, give me love. I'm gonna share now, give me love. So when they go catch that guy on Christmas Day, they go say make he call Lucky. Say he don't see one level. Person your park machine. The person don't know. He don't go carry him. This one I just see brand new machine. Now they take cash and maybe they tell us so that because police already cash that one. So police go say, yeah, lie. Say you don't thief, you don't see one thief. Where is there? For Benin, may you call carry him, call give him. Allah. So now this one I share my disgrace story. Me, I forget anyone. Shows that I'm a nice person. I don't want to call the disgrace of this one. This battle when I pick. Yeah, but what's the name? When I reason say I get belly, I go in this belly, sat down until I go. But man, it see what Sarah did for you. It was one measure. Remember. If you not guess, I'm going to say that me come for revenge. Now, so the boy take corner. He go say, this also place for Benin. Make it come. Now, so police they drive. Papa. You know far. The village not too far for Benin. Now, so they take drive. As they reach there, police so called wear normal clothes. You don't know. So he got us okay, see where they go see. Before he reach there, police don't go sit down for the place where the boy said they will meet. He don't know say people when they sit down there they be police. As the boy you drive, come police follow. They call guys they take one. They come follow the boy. As he just enter, all those ones don't do there. Now they just catch him. Now my people, good evening. Now so they take cash kidnapper. As they cash and then they pour alcohol for your hands. As they pour alcohol for your hand, they don't even call us, say they don't even pour alcohol for your hand, they don't arrest them. He don't take police station like 2 hours before they call us and say, did you have anybody to call? Then she take call me. Koko our last born. That's my phone, take charger. I offer. So yes, I offer. Now the Christmas period, phone not the charge, lights not the day. So my battery run down. While my sister on the last born, the battery not run down. Now my own, she effect call. So now this our last born take pick us, say lucky they call and say okay. Oh. I be the call our side. Now we say we'll be there. It's not a cost now. Christmas Day, you need to come join us shop food because we cook. I kill fowl. Me, I know they like live chicken. So our last one can say now live chicken wise, I can't give my money. Can't go buy live chicken. So me can't go buy turkey. Me, I know they like live chicken. Can't kill for my present. It irritates me. So when I get small, not they irritate me, but when I can't grow, that people when they take buy so they fresh for they to buy outside the shop something like you. So I know they near. So I can't buy 1.5 kilo of turkey. I can't cook fried rice. I can't do salads. I can't they eat me our last one. Now the court take on share the video. Now the court take on say your brother be arrested. They don't arrest me, oh. They don't arrest me, oh. Sister, I dey police station. Mama, you fly. Because we dey eat. My people. Bro, that way they cash. He never eats his money. Bro, that way they cash. He never eats his money. That's why I take row enter back. I beg. I dey go GRA. I dey here police station. That's what I take carry me. First back when I first I got the pretend say no. I dey here police station. You don't tell me say no amo. He go for use me run. As I go say he don't say I don't vex. I won't call down before he go carry me go. I dey here police station. As I reach there, they say they don't go let me see. And I say what's happen? Now there he go there. Say they don't allow me see amo. They don't go agree make I see amo. That's not a thief. So you are the sister of criminal. Now as police say they talk now. Because of what I experience. So you are the sister of criminal. You are the sister of thief. You are the sister of this. You are the sister of that. I'm okay. Now I tell them say, maybe that mistake this matter now we never understand. The woman brought time me say make I show. I say, please don't insult me. What is the meaning of that? Don't insult me. The woman you're the form of do guy why they talk that say see. No. Don't insult me. Yes, I can insult you. And I will insult you. You have nothing to do. Blah blah blah. Brother, sister of a criminal. Your brother is a criminal. Your brother is a criminal. Hello. Body day. How about that the children?
I even did my video yesterday, sir. Concerning that your brother. You know, say they give me document now you're the suburban.
Oh, congratulations. Congrats.
They give me document 2 years. So I say about now tomorrow one Saturday come out. Now I can't see the video where that your useless brother, whether not your brother, I don't know what to be in it. The video where he do. That your useless brother, you know that picking.
Now picking you see for yes. Now the useless and shower woman. Now you see for yes so.
I need to call you indoor. That your sister, what they say that your elder sister, that one, you know, I don't need the details. That one that they settle that they beat that one.
Yes.
Without the details, we don't beat that one.
No problem.
And Bonnie, details of what I can explain, my man. This your brother self. I beg, I will call you. You are a picture, you pick a picture. You got to beg. If you say make it cry, say furniture.
Yes.
See, if they beat her finish, like the money for me, if you cry, you go reply me. Then you go see the pain. When Vera pass through for Sarah hand.
Yes.
You where you learn it.
Oh, we are war. Oh, we are war.
Where? You say you want settle family, let's say settle family.
Oh! He said I do don't support Sarah. He made do don't support Sarah. Oh, wow, too.
Tomorrow morning I will call you.
No problem.
I will call you. This is your because you don't pack your wife. So then where be this one?
Not be that, you baby mama.
You just
smoker. This woman can smoke it, bro. This woman, what they make it to her? Set up a shooter for your house. He are lucky now. They go smoke it, go for it. They smoke go for it. Don't fuck. Now Sarah has to forgive. Can't give her this belly. Sarah has. Let this useless brother forgive. Give this a shower belly. No problem. No, thank you, my love. No, the same cannot talk. When I forget to be privilege. Yes. Sarah go too. They go support Sarah. In only once when we don't do that, they see come among and they know the type of person when they be. Now make me, I don't screenshot on her life for grab before me starts. If you know ask me, they ready wait for her. Don't you know what do me we go pay me? As I me don't get Serekia 1-0. All of my people are useless papa. If please go come out. Una useless sister. I go begin the publication. I know what I go do. Wig na wig man. When a family go see, they'll call their husband to order. Well, my baby, I go spend my money puts. If you don't know me, say I be devil comments. Kinapa na kinapa. Oh. Kinapa. Oh. Kinapa. Oh. Oh, le bruku. Now so. That I tell you, suffer when I suffer because they arrest him. So that kidnapper, when he kidnap, did you know that fear called the home? Their papa, not my papa. Fear called the home, their papa don't go the body work out for daytime. Men they no go cash, men no go prison without providing his son. Did you know that their papa when they for back of evil, he go begin the hide. This their papa, he used more than 6 months to hide. Their papa used more than 6 months to hide. Fear no call the letter they show a face for data. Because that 2 boys with the cash, they know the papa. But now Benin they for no one. So they not to know where they stay for Benin. So they call the final. So he self call no say. Then they find even pizza week na week. Go tell papa say, "Go here, hey, here, baby, oh." If they just cash you, you are your own, no. No matter what. Now so the week na week, go tell. If papa make it stay clear, me so fi dey waka. So I not serious show. This kidnapper, he had a motto. Mama, now this kidnapper, now they go kidnap her for church. Now they go kidnap the woman, but they buy the woman later. Now they go kidnap the woman for inside church. Don't hold. This useless he goods. He can't go care. After from back, then the thief for back, the thief this one, the thief that one. Then she cut it. This say no be way. The beginner say this say he succeed. Say that 12 million, they repair. This boy for doctor. They will not even see who be this head of kidnapper. What they call her? What they call that head of kidnapper? Oh, I don't forget that man. That man go for be boy for where this criminal dey. That man, my people, he go for be boy for where this criminal dey. Then the kidnapper Joshua they call am be we say they call that man that way the cash every thank you. Oh, not take game of my people. You see what? Now see why I love you now. Elvis the kidnapper. I swear, now night be this. If I lie for hate, you go for don't was pass. Elvis go for be this thief boy. You know, Elvis go for be this criminal. Go for be this criminal boy. Elvis go for the lane now. Which Elvis start from here? Hello. Evans, yes, the daughter here. Evans, yes. The daughter for your dossier. Evans. Yes. May I put up a speaker? May I put up a speaker? Okay. Oh, baby, okay. So, my people, Elvis the kid. Evans. Lucky. Now the return of. More than the corner. Lucky the return of the. I will put the name. No, Lucky the kidnapper. Lucky the kidnapper. He won't go kidnap, no kidnap small pikin. He remote mama. That this thief, criminal. As you say, I saw. When I went desperate, on another expression, he can't thief. Even when Italy, what make cannot get document for Italy. In the enter supermarket, go the thief. Mona ask her waiting, make I never see get documents. Lucky, show your documents. Lucky, you are your shower. Igbo smoker. Show your documents. No. Waiting, make you not get document for Italy. Criminal records. You still cause pain. Criminal record. No let you see. Show us your documents. I don't show my document many times. I don't show my documents many times, including my passport. Show me your documents. Lucky the kidnapper. Now this one I cry. But now this say me I no get document for country. See my passport. I get my documents as well. They know. Lucky, show me your documents. Criminal records. You don't let you see road because of thief. When you thief for Italy. Thief, me I not show you. I not show you the document self. No need to show you the document. I don't show you before. But let me show you my passport. I share what couple. Igbo smoke and go bomb on a me when I do revenge. I know someone will come and sacrifice myself. I'm ready. Yes. See my passport. See me here. Wagbeo. Watsuwu. Wazara. Yaya Jebogo. Baba Nejo. Just for me want the ticket. It was Jebogo. The document is raw. Bring your documents to fear. Wagbeo. Shameless ego. Your criminal records. You don't let you. Maybe for Italy, they support everybody who got an enter camp for Italy. They give all of the documents. It don't let you see road. Criminal thief, they enter supermarkets. They collect what they don't give you. Then they take you criminal record for Italy. So they court. You call the go court. Police call they send you letter. I lie. Police call they send you letter. Make you call court. When you go see say they want carry you put for prison. Now you take raw. Overnight come for Italy. Raw cost pay. Go change name. Wagbeo. Waoo Saga. Show me. Lucky. Every kidnapper. If they smoke, he go. He go to enter supermarkets. Oh, yara. Mona asa. He don't come abroad since year 2030. My people, 2013, 213, 214, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220, 221, 222, 223, 224. 12 years now. I be 30 years. Now you know they spend for abroad. No documents. Show me your children documents. Show me your shower. This was useless a shower. Where go kill him? I'm gonna go this way. Where? Maybe now way. Well, na Sereka senior lucky. The Elvis, yes. Na Sereka senior direct. Geno. Kidnapper, the kidnapper. The kidnapper one. Ketokbo. Kes Koko Ashawo Libya. Libya Ashawo. I don't know why you see that they thought Osho proud mom. When Osho proud mom take better pass you. No be je. Osho proud mom, he better pass you 100%. Know why? Osho proud mom fisi buy better hair. Osho proud mom. If you knock Osho proud mom right now, Osho proud mom feel vomit thousands of euros. Home and abroad. You know, we got knock Osho ban. You know, go say, I dey wait for my husband. Make my husband come. My husband Maggie. My husband salt. My husband pepper. If you knock Osho proud mom, you understand? Arrow dele kwa boom 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 boom. Arrow go throw away boom boom boom. But yeah, wig na wig. Yeah, wig na wig. If they ask you now, may you bring 500, we small, no see a brick. You know, see a brick. No good best Sarah. You see shame and disgrace of Sarah. Shame and disgrace of Sarah. Shame and disgrace of Sarah. Father say, my God don't fight for me. My God fight for me. And of course he take my own revenge. Wig na wig. Asha come. When your elders, your boyfriend, elder sister, and the papi mama say they don't want you for the house. Now this will be I marry. Marriage way you force yourself. Put for man neck. The last time I checked, now man they say one married woman. Not be safe for math. Mama ready, to put money for my head. Not be say if you know what, me and I not go say again. In what? You want put money for my butt? I say I not agree. You know why I say I not agree? Because of una yeye. Una father no fit yeye. They want to see that is my bride price. More I can't use my money to do me something. So I don't reason and left and right. I don't want more I use my money to do me something. In the name of I won't go do introduction. As I get peace, so I like her. They say when you know the family where you for come, you go back. So not be to call do tradition. In not rich road. No. Now me no want her because una be witch, una papa na witch, una two na witch. Me, I don't be witch. I know they fly. I don't know what two na the people how they sleep. So I don't want more I call use that stand. God they stay me for where I still dey. Okay. Marriage. What they do for your hands? You still they talk to show proud mom. Oh, show proud mom, na mother. If your husband buy today, our body like book a work where your man they do for Italy. They borrow motor, he buy motor of 1,000. Now 2 years he take pay 1,000 euro motor. Or show proud mom they drive motor. To get driver's license is not easy. Your husband get that both driver's license all the way from Nigeria. May your man bring driver's license come as I say. What bell? Jealousy. Jealousy. Last year here, now your man got the drive motor. Last year here, now your man come to say he wants the drive motor. Motor still get motor. The motor where a friend use, where they don't use again. Now you call the drive. Get up, but why not they put the show your man motor? Get up, boy, wig na wiggy. Why not they put the show your man? Not they see Benjamin. Car go this car. Why your man on the boat, they try, they do video? As to claim your man love you. Why your man on the sit down? No, I see my man. No, I see say, that man. I don't understand. May I enter a TikTok? I better make I enter. I don't understand. Who was war? Please share this video. Pizza Okbo. Pizza Okbo. Pizza. Pizza. See man. Pizza. Show your man. May we see. Pizza. I don't say this kind they drive. I better share this video for me. Please share the video. Oh God. Ikape. Even your sister will never born. He no see this kind of carry. Una base, he bought 5. Una tell me I go quarrel. Una do, we will not quarrel. Una carry across social media, we not separate. Una do everything, we not separate. He pen una. See sweet guy now. Get a shower. Wig na wig. Show us your man who cook butter phone. He dey inside car and they drive. He dey drive. He dey jolly. Omo, I know understand. You know they see clothes where they wear. Get a shower. Carry your man come outside. Second clothes. When you go they carry for second. When they supposed to carry go Nigeria. Make the less privilege they wear. No be your man they wear. Tell me why no go jealous me. Now my first us enter abroad. You and your man. Now mama first you drive motor. Now mama first you now. They do many things. Tell me. Ikape. Siana. In the flat, this place on me and I go there. I can do tafia sometimes. I do tafia. This place, na me and I go this place. This place, if you want enter, very secure. Now German people they enter this place. On Sunday, say more ready, no we go. That day, that's okay. Now we're cooking ready. Now we'll go here. This place where so. Before you go enter, to collect your documents, they go do research about you. You know, can enter here. I do video. I call it delete her. Because decide when I sit down, no one make face. German people face show. So since I sit down, Barbie this. Me and they drink too. So the way he carry your face, this. So the back or you both no one make their face show. So I can say no, you know, let me post. Me I no go show Oyibo old man. German people are the entire here. The day when I go there again, I go do video. Me no say. Now me and I enter there. Mona just they cry. This one our apartment. This is apartment when it rains. This one apartment where we rain when it rains for us. When me and for this bobo wig now wig. Show your ass. This one our house, our apartment. This one our door of bedroom side. Ikape. Ika sweet. Wig in a wig. Serekia. Hey, ya, you want go carry fire boy. Serekia. Oh, my darling. Oh, you want go carry fire boy before. Hey, ja. Oh, my goodness. Oh. So, you want go carry fire boy like my own. Oh, no, so now they jealous me. Good hair too good, 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 Good. Share the video. Sereka, you be one go carry fire boy, so that make people for not laugh you. Ababa leke, isumu leke puke. Ababa leke, isumu leke puke. You be one see join the gang of Kashi fine guy. Hey yeah, you don't know the code now. You for tell me now. You know the jealous. Yes, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh manu romi bie, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yes, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh manu je, oh mo jeje, oh mo jeje, oh mo nisha biele. Wo bunu odo, wo bune agwe, wo bunu odo. Wo bunu odom we saboru eribo we mi reme we mi reme we lo ye mo ye iyobo we lo iyobo oh yeah so no they jealous me like this so you want to go cash your guy but you won't go cash fine guy. Don't cost to be second. Isha, yeah. So you want to eat with, you want to chill with the big girls. You want to chill with the big girls. Hey, yeah. Oh, go ya bomonish answer. Eh, useless kidnapper. Kidnapper girlfriend. Your mama ogodo bisue. Ogodo, but that your pikin for Nigeria. I get the picture. You see that your pikin for that your daughter went to Nigeria. Ogodo be the picture go come outside. Now me to the play. I don't screenshot no be now. I don't do my investigation for grants. Of course now, back and front, mommy, MVV family. What did they talk cancel? Now back and papa. Oh, see sweet now. Want to share with the big guys? So the pair. Why busy that woman with double 5? Grace Day. Oh yeah, day my head. Oh yeah, day my head. As you see they come up for the whole city, he carry me follow body. As they rent this house, our name he put her. 3 children name he put her. Who does that? I know the stance. Oh money shall be oh yeah. See Anna, see cute now. Oh, the pen now. Oh, say if now me now. Said I heard the think and they regret and they go say, oh, wait if Vera use you take cash. I no use anything. Now God give me. Oh, Saloma name, and no science abonu away. In no go waiting, God no feed do. God do it for me. He dependuna. One we want. Serakia, if he is why you not Chester? If he is the Chester, you want see bonus, you go both for second one. Atutu na poyoyo. Atutu na poyoyo. Atutu na poyoyo. Me be fe mat. Atutu na poyoyo. Hey, what a shame. This is boss smoker. Share this video. Give me love, guys. This is boss smoker. Ipeona, I drag Sarah come aside. My first page now for Sarah. Here and my other page. Follow all my page. Yes. Follow all my page. Kate. Pizza. Wig na wig. No worry. The one go do you now this time, your mind go day. Not done as they do before. The enemy how by this time around. Una don't do the brief. Now not see. Una see my father, no the mount again. Since one I told you, see say he stop my man. No. He not change anything. He not change nothing. He not change anything. You get me? He not change anything. You get me? He can pay. But this Ashawo no cook boy. Hey Vivian, you just don't know your name. Vivian, you just don't know your name. Hey Vivian, go to be sure. Vivian, go to be sure. Go to bomb no in Nigeria. Go to bemona no be bien a kidnapper. This pity where you bought for kidnapper. Now go buy them for your eye. You said na igbo smoker. You said na all that shower meat kidnapper. All that shower are kidnapper. Equals to kidnapper ashawo na kina na wowo. Ashawo na shawo. Kina wowo na kinki na papa na kina. Elvis the kinana. Elvis the kinana. Ashawo will meet kinana. Ashawo will meet kinana. Good evening. Ashawo will meet kinana. Ashawo will meet kinana. Tell me why they're not they compatible. Ashawo, the last class Ashawo, when they use only Igbo the fork. Ashawo meet kinana. Are they not the same? Are they not the same? Wow. Your man, they talk to me about Pikin. You not get Pikin for Nigeria. This useless Ashawo, this one way day years we do it like this thing. This year one that they see for years. So he get Pikin grown up daughter for Nigeria. We go reach to born lucky. This old cargo. If I see her than the leg, she don't think we come abroad. This Ashawo, the kinana. The Ashawo akuna Ijue ogodo bijue. Ogodo gbo money no we be in Nigeria. Ogodo gbe me. I don't do my research about your mama, about you, about that your daughter. You enemy away. Share your man one popular. Let's popular together. Share the 5-year-old green the picture. No problem. Because when they do this, they are not talk. Una boa have Google. Enemy are you when I am here. Yeah, more go back, boy. Oh, we're not Nigeria. The picture go there. You don't tell the first to show that girl. When you get for Nigeria, I better get picky for Nigeria. Your man not the talk now say you get picky for Nigeria. You are fear. Mona help me ask kidnapper whether na this woman, whether na start to the bomb, whether na the first because this woman the bomb it is. Mona help me ask kidnapper. Mona help me ask kidnapper. Na a baby mama a girlfriend na be this. He girlfriend wey bought to pick for Spain na be this. Mona help me ask kidnapper whether. When I be asking whether this woman no get grown up, young, the girl don't even born safe. Now grandmama na the sister. Grandmama. Now grandmama na the sister. Grandmama na the sister. See the useless wig na wig. And the Igbo man. Say as ma be do I like thief. You want use this one and take compare Benjamin. When Benjamin see you come abroad, he see better pass. This one I don't spend more than we're not go 1 year plus almost 2 years here. My lady who is kidnapper. Now the said her brother where they mad up and down. Now he be kidnapper. He go kidnap Iyare moto mama. If you be Benin, you dare Benin, go no be Yare moto. It won't be like God is good moto. All those people when they get company or boss when they carry people, they call Lagos, Abuja, hear remote. When you hear Bijo, but this will not be Bijo. Hear remote, mama. Sarah brother, only brother when they get snack kidnapper. Elvis the kidnapper. They say they don't catch Elvis. They say he no come abroad. He go for don't pass Elvis. He go for don't pass Elvis for kidnapper. If papa got to go borrow money, no go better Joao. Ni ma born like rugby. Era na Zagba Zevi. Tomorrow they go talk. That one for Sarah. Tomorrow I they go talk. The useless papa. The useless papa. Papa kidnapper. Una elder brother still good, Kisley. Kisley not do kidnapping one day. Kisley not thief one day. My elder brother. My elder brother Kisley. He not thief one day, not kidnap one day. For him to kidnap, he can't go they do furniture. He can't go they do furniture. Me for no thief. But you see this Sarah brother. Na kidnapper, visit kidnapper. Now na say so. The most useless, the most hopeless, the most nonsense human being. When they all did their body. Thank you, Lucky, aka the Kina. I know understand. They don't feel that at the day they look. I don't say that the day here. The day here they look me. Yo, where papa? He no fit tell you maybe you know the thief. They come here and do this far away. Oh, this far, I don't understand. You know they blow me. Okay, then you blow me. Because as I say here, when I follow this page, when I follow Vera the social media FBI too, all my TV page will be intact. But to see that Vera television on my big page, I know they post nonsense there because there be nonsense. You see that my big page, I don't post rubbish there. So if you don't want to see their papa picture or their picking the picture, now here before I could call later do the one I say I want to. Una might go say. Una might go say Serekia. Serekia markets now. You see you. You go to see the better people. Toy. I never ever post a picture, you call the cry. Now you don't bring her, you don't kill yourself. Pierre with it. Jesus will tell me, let the pain is real. No, forgive me. But me, I don't forgive you. If you like, don't forgive me. Down with the pain. Don't concern me. Me, I don't forgive you. But if you don't forgive me, now you know. Oh, that picture go they fly everywhere. Share the video regarding là-bas. Ketekia. Ogun to gboe. Ogun mo boya gboe obi. Ogun mo boya gboe vavan. Ogun mo boya gboe vota. Useless and non-entity. Onion rebiribi. The useless kidnapper see your woman. Say I be like witch. I shower come order. Shower. Because of Igbo. Now you take carry. See piki, see your piki, say I be say. Oh na monaya zizo boy monaya zese. Lucky ewu. Anyway na monaya zese. Oh momo no ke ya kulu pojo ha. See that your momo. Iya baby show la di hi ojo. Iya baby shi bi well at. Igbi sanji ya o. We are many me why. I told her this time around, if I relent, don't, make I pay. If I relent, don't, make I pay. If we two now they do me, they ish me, don't, make I shift. Thank you, mommy. Hope I'm the boss lady. I'm taking my revenge. You see, these are two children. Oh, go here, best wow, lucky the kidnapper. Oh, go here, best wow. You know the shame. He never show to do driver's classes. 1, 2, no good boy. It's all. Where many my own way. You say this your children and your woman. Go reach the pikin wey dey for Nigeria. You know when I talk say I get all of my picture. No worry. Her name na Vivian. I be no be. Vivian ni. Wa gbe o. Oni ara iberibe. Shameless, useless people. Now by force to deal with. Now I don't need to now. Everybody wey dey now. That's also backward they go. You know they go front. So backward. Now they go. Ejo down. MAJESTY. Now be me una wan use that una bad luck. Una bad luck. No, yes, o matter fuga. No be me una wan use that una bad luck. Bad luck take rob. See me now. See me now. See me. I don't sell una papayash. I don't sell una wewo papayash. See me. This is my TikTok, guys. See me. This is my TikTok. I do 2 videos this evening. Kpai. See Piki. See another one again. Share this video, give me love, guys. See me now. I go tell una say una injection. E go long una injection. E go long when I want give una. What am I me? Now the manner, see me now. I go tell una this time around. As far as me the lead. This one I me carry una bastard where was sister come aside. So no two no go do me when go ish me. Oh, Sarah Tina, Tina, my love. How you there, my beautiful baby? God bless her for you, my love. I go tell una say ya kulobo. Go reach una where what papa. Iya be party. Episode. Iya post. What my me? When me you way, I said I make God first do now. If not be me first do now, anything like I go do now. I bet not day. No matter anything, una father is. No tell me that one. No. Not try me. Let me block you. Okay, thank God she is fine. Okay, thank God. No, let me block you. Their papa better reach my father-in-law. What? Una power if you don't beg, you don't go shop. My father-in-law pension for this country. This Jamie pension. Where my father-in-law for sit down. They don't born a papa will go bera. Even born like yes. Because nothing that man do now. Even Benjamin self, if you get sense, you don't get what Benjamin do now. Just now people go say that jealousy. Una son na sister not your sister not take care of pikin. Not be me body pikin for. When to go concern Benjamin for his side to start with. If not be jealousy, make it for leave me. More than for see we're going to say, oh my sister, no, they near me. Because wow. More than for see we're going near me. What concern Benjamin? No concern now. What concern Papa? He no concern house now. $1. He bought 5. He bought 10. He no now. Now I take her and come outside. Bring a picture. So they will say me they do a shower, they give her money. Just for it to leave me. He no still leave me. Then 2019, I get belle, I come born. he no leave me. Dem also say no leave me. 2020 now they come again. 2020 they still come again. Now they come to bring my father-in-law picture come outside. Wetin I go use na papa I tessy. Ogo Agbera. Except I don't see that for this social media. Insult to my papa. I don't see that bring my papa picture come my platform. Now wetin I go do? The una papa will be wish. When they use him wish and they disturb your brother children. Now wetin I go do? I no go. Now you go reach your body. If I regret, make I pay. As far una go temper omolomo we no need una. This time around I go with full revenge. Remember what? People go use us to make parable. Okwodo Gbera. Your partner no road of Lagos. Never born Laragbe. My father-in-law, when you see so, now man be say, Lagos, they know. What to? Man we go school. Era Maje school now. Your papa no go school. As that old as that man there, if they read, you go wrong. But born Laragbe. I don't understand. Where this man for that house where this man get property where that man gets. If your papa die today, regulate, die again, come back again. What did this man don't achieve for a life? Your papa no go fit achieve. What soon? Man will get your papa get passport. Even Nigeria passport your papa gets. You see, my father-in-law, he get German passport. When don't they get German passport? More than 23 years. Wow, come on, Nigeria passport, na papa no get to. Where be saying a poverty sticky father and poverty sticky children on the show themselves. Why? Why? Come on, Nigeria passport to even reach Ghana, una papa no get. Please like and love. Thank you, my darling. Man, I pull off for this video. Come on. To get Nigeria passport. Man, I show me my papa Nigeria passport. Man, I show me una useless papa will be witch. When they use the witch, they disturb your brother children because say his brother get with it too. As he elder brother, his brother buy with his soul that year. He called the happy say don't buy now he can be seen you. Tomorrow they come for your papa. Ahwe, he don't pay work. Not the nothing else do me, we go pay me. I saw that me come for the revenge. People join me. If now some people can't join me, they beat to my sister and wall head. I'm satisfied. Now, Sarah, it don't come our family. I'll go tell the world. I want to tell useless. Now the native doctor na see go now. Native doctor no work for Igboma body. Igboma run for your dear life, oh. Run for your dear life. Igboma, run for your dear life. Not near that.
My people, hey, this one breeze bro foul nyash open. Be this one as Vera Conte expose her whole family for social media. My people now believe say all these things na clear eye or na person they press button for their family so that they go they fight. They know say if these people dey together, they go fit do something good. My people, wetin una think? Don't forget to like and share this video and also drop your opinion. God bless.